Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is numpy array shape in Python. We will be covering what is shape attribute, what is ndmin argument. Okay, I'm using editor PyCharm. Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. So let's get started with the video. What is shape of an array? The shape of an array is the number of elements in each dimensions. For example, we have one dimension, we have two dimension, three dimension, four dimension, and nth dimension. Before getting started with the code implementation, you have to install numpy library on your computer. To install numpy library, you have to type in one command on your command prompt or on your terminal, as you can see. Okay, the command is pip install numpy, and you can mention the version. If you do not provide any version of the libraries, then it will always install with the latest version. First, we have to import numpy np, that is the alias. If we want to create numpy array, so array function we have to use, and we are going to create two-dimensional array. You want to print it, when you will get the type of this object, right? Let me run the program, you will get the output. This is the array which we created, and this is a nd array type. Okay, let me move this window to the right top. If you want to get the dimension of this array, you can easily check it with one attribute array1 dot and dim. You will get the dimension of this array, that is two-dimensional array, okay, which we created. Now you want to check the shape of this array. You have to use one shape attribute, the object, and you will get what is the shape. The shape would 2 and 4. This is row and this is column, right? It is 2 into 4 shape, okay? 2 rows and 4 columns, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is the property. We can get the shape of any array. Okay, if you want to add one more row here, so you will get different shape now. Okay, if you're in the program again, you will get different shape now. Now the rows became 2 2 3, right? And columns are still 4. Okay, the shape is now becomes 3 into 4. Okay, because we have 3 rows and 4 columns. If you want to create array with help of min argument, you can also do that, right? More elements, 5 6 7, and you want to say that my array would be creating with specific dimensions, we will be using min. We are saying please create three-dimensional array with these elements. Okay, so let's see what happens if you're in the program. So you will see this three-dimensional array is created with these elements. Okay, you can change any dimension, right? Two dimension, you can make it. This is two dimension. If you make it one, it would become one dimension, right? If you want to make it five, you can make it five, right? See, so with the help of min argument, you can assign the dimension to your array. Let's say you have one different array. It has, let's say 0, and then you want to get the shape of this. So you will get shape as 1, only one row. Okay, if you make it 0, okay, and you want to make it 3 and then 3, so you will get different shape now. Okay, so you will get nothing. Okay, there is no shape. Let's say you have one more array which is similar to this almost. Let's say array 4. Let me print 4, and then we'll be printing the shape of this array finally. Okay, so we have some issues. Okay, mistake, it should be equal, right? Column should be equal, right? So if you see, we have 3 into 2 shape. Okay, this is array 4 shape, 3 into 2, 3 are rows and 2 are columns. Okay, so you can do this way also, right? This is two dimensional array. If you even want to check what is the type of the shape, so you can see array4 dot shape can do it type. Okay, it will give you the type of shape property. So you will get it's a tuple type. Okay, it is returning row and columns in tuple form. So what shape is returning? It is returning tuple of ends, right? So we have seen what is the shape of numpy array. We have seen shape attribute. We have seen and min argument while creating arrays. Okay.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.